In the dynamic field of nuclear power, where safety and efficiency are paramount, operating experience has emerged as a crucial aspect of ensuring the reliable and secure functioning of nuclear power plants. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. Welcome to our channel, your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. And before moving ahead, do subscribe for regular updates. At its core, operating experience feedback involves systematically gathering, analyzing, and applying the valuable lessons learned from past events and operational data to refine and improve the safety, reliability, and efficiency of nuclear power plants. This iterative process ensures that incidents, near misses, and operational insights contribute to a safer and more robust nuclear industry. Let's break down the key stages of operating experience feedback. Firstly, we have event reporting and analysis. Plants must report a wide range of operating experiences, including incidents, operational problems, equipment failures, and even near misses. These reports serve as the foundation for analyzing trends, identifying patterns, and understanding the root causes of issues that arise in the plant's operation. This comprehensive approach to reporting and analysis is vital for extracting meaningful insights from past events and operational data. The next stage is root cause analysis. Once an event is reported and analyzed, a thorough root cause analysis is conducted to identify the underlying reasons for its occurrence. This in-depth investigation goes beyond simply addressing the immediate problem. Instead, it delves into the systemic issues and contributing factors that played a role in the event. By understanding the root causes, operators can take corrective actions that effectively prevent the recurrence of similar issues. Sharing and dissemination of information is another important aspect. Following the analysis, the identified lessons learned are shared both internally and externally. Internal sharing ensures that all relevant plant staff, including operators, engineers, and maintenance personnel, are informed and trained to handle similar situations more effectively in the future. External sharing, on the other hand, extends the reach of valuable insights to the broader nuclear industry through international channels. This collaborative approach promotes a culture of transparency and collective learning, enhancing the overall safety and reliability of nuclear power plants worldwide. And finally, we come to implementation and continuous improvement. This stage focuses on taking corrective actions based on the insights gained from the analysis and feedback. It involves implementing changes to operating procedures, updating training materials, modifying designs where necessary, and even improving equipment. This proactive approach to implementing changes ensures that the lessons learned are not just acknowledged, but effectively integrated into the plant's operations, fostering a continuous improvement cycle. Operating experience feedback offers several significant benefits for nuclear power plants. Firstly, it plays a crucial role in improving safety by learning from past events. NPPs can proactively identify and mitigate potential risks, reducing the likelihood of accidents and enhancing the overall safety of nuclear operations. Secondly, it improves reliability by pinpointing and addressing issues that affect the reliability of equipment, systems, and processes. This leads to more efficient and stable plant operation, minimizing unscheduled downtime and optimizing performance. Additionally, operating experience feedback enhances safety culture by encouraging a proactive approach to safety. It promotes a blame-free environment where personnel are empowered to report incidents, near misses, and observations without fear of retribution, fostering a culture of transparency and continuous improvement. Moreover, it facilitates international collaboration by providing a platform for sharing operating experience and best practices across national borders. This global exchange of knowledge and lessons learned enhances the collective safety and reliability of nuclear power plants worldwide. In conclusion, operating experience feedback is an indispensable aspect of ensuring the safe, reliable, and efficient operation of nuclear power plants. By embracing a comprehensive approach to incident reporting, root cause analysis, information sharing, and continuous improvement, NPPs can harness the power of past events and operational data to enhance safety, reliability, and performance. As the nuclear industry evolves, operating experience will remain at the forefront of driving positive change, ensuring that every event, whether successful or challenging, contributes to the collective growth and advancement of nuclear power. So this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. We will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.